Hello everyone, this is Advita and this is Team CarbonSight, a carbon aware optimization framework for generative AI. The motivation came from something I've personally experienced while working with large models. Even small, simple queries often trigger extremely heavy compute, leading to high costs, high latency, and a surprisingly large carbon footprint. Thus, the goal is to create a system that makes AI more sustainable automatically. Generative AI adoption is soaring, but most organizations don't realize how wasteful inference can be. There are three big problems. First, high energy models get used unnecessarily. Even basic tasks get routed to massive LLMs. Teams repeat similar queries. Each repetition means more tokens, more compute, and hence more emissions. And third, there's zero visibility into CO2 impact. Companies cannot manage what they can't measure. So, there's an urgency to balance the power of AI with the responsibility to use it efficiently and sustainably. That's exactly what CarbonSight tries to solve. CarbonSight is an intelligent, carbon aware optimization layer for generative AI. Instead of making users choose between models, CarbonSight analyzes each query and automatically selects the smallest, most energy efficient model capable of producing a high quality response. The user simply asks a question, and everything else happens behind the scenes. Here's how it works in a real conversation. When asking a simple finance question like summarize yesterday's revenue variances, CarbonSight routes it to a lightweight, super efficient model. I see a green efficiency tag and a breakdown of the energy saved. Then, if I ask a slightly more complex operational question, for example, identify the top factors behind delivery delays, the system automatically switches to a balanced model. No manual selection, no settings, no complexity. And for something more demanding like a legal review or a code security analysis, CarbonSight detects the need for a deep reasoning and uses a large, high capacity model. Every response shows me the model used, the energy consumed, an estimated CO2, and an efficiency score. That's transparent, sustainable AI. This is the model energy network, a visualization built to map out the energy profile of each available model. Green nodes represent highly sustainable models, amber nodes represent balanced ones, and red ones are energy intensive. CarbonSight uses this map dynamically when routing requests, ensuring the most efficient model is always chosen. Internally, CarbonSight uses an agentic system. The routing agent predicts queries complexity and chooses the right Bedrock model. The embedding agent identifies repeated or similar prompts to avoid redundant LLM calls, and the thinking agent allocates reasoning budgets so the model only uses deep thinking when needed. This is a quick deep dive into the architecture behind the entire framework. Now, one of the most important components of this project is the dashboard for enterprises. So, for organizations, the CarbonSight dashboard visualizes everything: CO2 savings, cost reduction, latency improvements, as well as team efficiency metrics. Managers can see which teams are using AI sustainably, which models are consuming most energy, and how usage trends change over time. These insights can feed directly into ESG reporting and internal sustainability goals. With CarbonSight, the aim is to show that sustainability and AI performance do not have to compete. By intelligently routing queries, reusing past work, and controlling model reasoning, we can drastically reduce emission costs, all while making AI faster and more accessible. The vision is to make carbon aware AI the new default for enterprises. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to take CarbonSight forward at TechFest.